間開始してるのそこで。合うじゃない。15分ぐらいだ。合うから10時15分。
Pilots, if I can have your attention, please. I need the taller pilot to sit in the back. Smaller pilot's going to sit in the front. There is one seatbelt per rocket, so if you are sharing a rocket, you are also sharing the seatbelt. Any large items like backpacks need to go where the shiny silver walls are, and you'll pick it up at the end of the flight. Just as a reminder, pilots, we need you to sit how you were instructed to downstairs, which should have been 2 per rocket, unless you're in an odd-numbered party where one person and one person alone will ride by themselves. This is just to ensure that everybody can ride together as a group, okay? Thank you. Is going around everyone who is sharing a rocket.